Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll to the sound and vibration. And as you can see at the very top of the list, we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, alarms, events or notifications. Let me pick for example the ringtone for calls, and as you can see here we've got 3 highlighted options to choose from. If you do not like them, then tap on all ringtones. And as you can see here, we've got the full ringtone section. Here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ones. What's more, we can choose local ringtone. Let's tap here, and if you want, you can choose something from your recorder, file manager or your music. So if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them. What's more, you can choose don't set ringtone, so it means that your device won't notify you that someone is calling you. But let me choose something from system ringtones. If you want to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, simply make sure that it is marked. Now let's get back. As you can see, it is visible here, so it means that from now on your device will use chosen ringtone. Let's get back. And it is also visible right here. Let's change the ringtone, for example, for notifications. Simply tap on it. As I said, here we've got some highlighted options. If you do not like them, then go to all ringtones. The same situation, you can choose your own, don't set a ringtone, or here we've got the list of them. So simply tap on it and listen. And if you are happy with your choice, let's get back. As you can see, it is visible here and also here, so it means that it has been successfully changed. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.